Over the next few years, I'm really excited to start executing on some deep retrofit jobs as we really start to cut into our carbon emissions in our properties. Every time that we touch a window or a wall or a roof or a mechanical system, there's an opportunity there to put in a more efficient or a low carbon solution that's going to help us on our path to net zero carbon.
We're going through the portfolio right now and looking at window replacement programs. That's something that will not only help our carbon footprint, but also help the lives of our residents to better enjoy their space.
One of the challenges in achieving net zero carbon by 2050 is that it is a fundamental shift in how we build and operate our properties.
We need to figure out a way to get embodied carbon out of our developments and operate our income-producing properties without producing carbon. That's a tough challenge. We solve that problem by developing and implementing new technologies and finding different processes to build our houses or operate our buildings.
We've conducted 5 feasibility studies for renewable energy across Canada within different product types between low-rise, mid-rise, and high-rise. These feasibility studies allow us to build knowledge, devise best practices, and integrate renewable energy sources into the communities we develop.
As part of that, we're looking at geothermal technologies, wastewater heat recovery technologies, and in using those technologies, it will reduce the amount of carbon that we have to burn to heat and cool buildings. We have corporate waste reduction targets, and thinking about construction sites and the waste that gets produced on construction sites, the ability to prefabricate modular components in a controlled environment will help us reduce waste and ultimately reduce carbon.
When it comes to the net zero home that we opened in Markham a couple of months ago, that was our 9th one in Ontario. So I think every time we do it, they get better. They get better not only from a design perspective, but the end cost is starting to come down. So it's being more attainable for our purchasers.
The net zero offering is actually one of the things that I'm most proud of. We offered customers sustainability upgrade packages that they haven't had available to them before in a production build setting. We made this a standard upgrade offering on all of our single detached homes for new projects going forward, starting with Union Village, and we saw a 30% uptake across the residents who could purchase that package. With all the work that we've been doing around ESG, we're well positioned with the information to help educate, inform, and I think that the latter, informing, is particularly important, informing government around policy changes, what's possible, working with trade partners and manufacturers to inform them about what's going to be needed to hit these targets of the future.